Oh yeah, AAR Cuda.
Oh, All American Racing. That's what it is. Yeah.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah. I was like, I remember it, but I don't.
And then there was TA Challenger was Trans-Am.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, the TA is Trans-Am?
Yeah. For the Trans-Am Racing Series.
Yeah.
Oh.
They're both built for racing series.
Oh, okay.
Only production cars to come off the line with 3-barrel carbs.
Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy. I didn't know that. I didn't know the TA was a Trans-Am.
Yeah,
but it was
I just
the first
remember
series.
that from watching the Trans-Am Series.
Yeah, because it was that was a racing series. It was developed like the Mustangs, the Camaros started, and then they started putting the Mopar was a bit late to the show, but they built the Cuda and the Challenger for it.
For it, yeah.
And that's what the 340 engine was actually developed for the Trans-Am Racing.
Really?
It's a short stroke engine, real fast revving.
Okay, gotcha.
A real giant killer, that 340s.
Yeah.
My son had
they work really well.
My son had one in a 79 Aspen. It was out of a 73 Duster. And we used to go to St. Thomas and Cayuga with it there. And,
oh, really?
Yeah,
nice.
Had a lot of fun with it.
Oh, I bet.
Have you taken this thing to the truck?
Not yet, no. I keep planning on it because that's what I always wanted to be at his time.
Oh!
I always said, no substitute for cubic inches.
Yeah.
I haven't been able to put money where my mouth is yet.
Yeah.
That's right,
6 barrels, eh? Good old Magnum 6 barrels.
What a nightmare there.
My thing is that you have to. It's 3 2s, right?
Yes.
So you got a 2.
Such a thing to get in sync.
Yeah, that's the thing. And that's wired, right? And you got those. They always come loose.
Oh yeah, you got the linkage has to be adjusted, and then you're like, am I in sync?
Even the freaking throttle cable.
Yeah. Well, at least it would leave the whole thing in sync.
Yeah. That's a nice Cuda. Oh, side pipes. What year is it? 1970. Plymouth AAR Cuda. I don't know what AAR means.